What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. And today, my name is Tuấn. I created this channel to share with you about UI, UX, and blockchain. Today, I'm gonna share with you something is Figma. I want to share you a tool that's named Figma, and it's so awesome. It's cool. It's tool I really like. So let's get started, right? So we can see here Figma .com. What is Figma? Okay, so Figma is a vector graphic editor and prototyping tool, which is primarily web-based and it's free with starter length, right? We can create 3 files with starter length, but we can use it a lot of plugin and templates, right? So with Figma Professional, we with 12 editor a month, we can have a unlimited file, right? So with Figma we can brainstorming, right? Your team anywhere because it's your browser, so we don't need to install it, right? It can install, it can download, but if you not install, you just go to browser and you can use it easily, right? So yeah, brainstorming everywhere around the world. Okay, so we can use it to design because it's made for designer, right? It's easily to design, collab together. We can create a design system, right? Figma have community. It's very cool and I really like it because it have a lot of UI kits and login for free. So yeah, that's the basic thing. So right now I will take you to Figma. Here is the play when you login to Figma. Here you can see it. The first thing, you can create new team project right here. Okay, you can name this one, right? Create team. And here is the play. You add your team member. Okay, you just add email as another. Okay, if you have your team member, but right now I'm just skip, right? Here is the play to plan. Okay, starter, professional, operation. It have a list of things, the benefits you can see here, and I do starter. With team protect, and with the starter plan, we only create 3, right? 1, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. If you want to more protect, we need we need to upgrade, right? We need to upgrade it. So here's you can create new design file here. Click here. Here's the play you will design. Some basic thing like frame, right? Frame, rectangle, line, round, something basic, pen tool, right? Done. And on team rotate, you just create three base, right? We start the plan with limited 3 base. Yeah, this is the play you design, frame something. Prototype inspect is like you will export cost. Okay, it's the place for the developer. When you design, then you will export this for your dev team, okay, to here's a prototype, share, right? Anyone with the bling or define people, okay, something like that. If you want to prototype, click on prototype, and click on this line, click on this thing to see prototype. It's loading. Yeah, you can see here. Back to file. Here is community. Like I said before, community have a lot of things. Like UI kits is free. We can click here, yeah, or login, and we can, if you want to use it, right, free 8,000 lots icon and bar, duplicate, click, okay. Or you want to use this design system, duplicate it, right? Yeah, you see it. Have a lot of things, right? It's free. So the job is just Command C or Control C and Control V or Command V, and then you use it, right? Unwrap. Right, you can use it, right, for your project. Or here the same thing, right? With login, you have ULAS, click here, right? Install login. If you want to use login, just right click, login, ULAS. ULAS is a login that install. Okay, so want to use this rectangle and we want to post an image to it, click here, insert, yeah, boom, right? Yeah, an image on this rectangle. Again, 1, 2, right? Whoa, awesome, right? So this video I just want to introduce to Figma tool okay, and some basic thing. So if you like my videos and it help you something, so you can click on the like button below and share to your friend. I hope all you guys have a good day. See you.